What's up, guys? Bringing you a little different video today. Gonna try and chuck this one together quick and get it up on the YouTube so you don't think I'm slacking. We been busting ass the last couple weeks, so I apologize for the lack in video, but we are very busy at the moment. We are definitely in our busy season, so this is the blue duplex that we've been working on a little bit. We talked maybe in a previous video about pouring the new sidewalk and the front porch extension, so I threw up a quick time lapse today and figured we could probably get this guy put together pretty quick today. So as for everything we do, there's always a little bit of a learning curve for any concrete guys out there. Go ahead and critique all of our work, but we are most definitely not concrete guys by trade. We'll dabble with a little bit of everything just to keep our schedule moving along the way I like. And I'm not afraid to buy the tools and try stuff out. So this is my second pour, I believe, pretty much ever. Less like farm stuff that didn't really have to look nice. So I've got a 48-inch bowl float there, and then just like a magnesium float, some edging tools, and then I picked up a walking groover as well for this job because we did a picture frame sidewalk. Pretty simple, straightforward. I ran this one a little closer than I would have liked. It was 2.4 yards, I believe, was the calculated pour, and I ordered 2.5. I didn't really want to go out to 3 yards just because that seemed like a waste of a lot of good concrete. So we were literally right down to the end. We actually had to scoop up a little bit of our spillage off the forms, which I know is a super amateur move, but this is real life. So the good news is I don't have a giant chunk of concrete to clean up from where the truck cleaned out, so that's a plus. But overall, it went really well. I'm really happy with how it turned out. We bull floated everything out a couple times, hand edged everything. I used that walking groover to lay in our control joints for the sidewalk, and then I think I ended up grooving it probably 2 or 3 times to get it to look right, and then just working it out. It was a beautiful day for it. I think it was a total of like 65 degrees out, so that was pretty easy. But yeah, the concrete set up really nice. I'm anxious to see it tomorrow and see how it turned out, but this will help a ton with the whole front curb appeal of the duplex here. So we'll get some more footage tomorrow. I'll try and throw that up as quick as I can too. We're going to bury all of the downspouts out, the sump pump lines. We're going to get those buried out. We're going to do some landscaping for her. We're going to just cut in the beds, and I've got a bush that you can hardly see in the lower right hand side of the screen that we're going to get planted for her. So overall should look pretty good though. So I'm going to let the time lapse play out and put a little music to it. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll try and keep these moving for you. Take her easy.